Hey guys, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೋಡಿ, Dharwad Peda. I've never had something like this much Karnataka related. So this is the first one. Do first. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಇವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ gave them to me ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ತಿಂದೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಜೊತೆ ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈಗ ನಾನು ತಿಂದೆ. I'm gonna have some more. ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಿಂದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಒಳಗೆ and on the outside as well. It's just covered in sugar. So I think it would be better with something else. I don't really know how like people typically eat this, but I had it with coffee yesterday, so I'm just thinking. Yeah. Dharwad Peda, Dharwad Urudali, Dharwad Dinda, Uttara Kannada. I think it's from Uttara Kannada. So yeah, I like trying things from everywhere. When I go to Karnataka, yavaga Karnataka hogbeku, I want to go everywhere. So I'm glad I'm trying things from everywhere. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. I have to have more. And it reminds me of those candies, the alpenleaves, because of the caramel flavor. It's like the only other sweet I've had. These alpenleaves and laddus. So there's that. But yeah, subscribe Maple. Subscribe Madi. Like Madi, share Madi. Mate sigona. Bye.